close till I get up. Time is barely.
Good morning, Jamaican shore fishing here. Me and Laura's here. We're going on another mission today, guys, and I was planning on going fishing early this morning, but I ended up having to go to the farm this morning, and I got to go pick Lance up, which is my cousin, and we're gonna grab him and head out to the farm. And there goes my other cousin in front of me right now, Yam. He's on his way to his boat, yacht club. Damn, I wish I was going with him right now, but I have to go inland to the country to go pick some more fruits for some orders that I have. So it's work, guys, you know what I'm saying? So I just can't steer away from work for fishing at times. I have to just head out and just deal with what I have to deal with. So I'm not going to film the whole journey, but I will periodically do clips along the way. We're going to stop at some awesome spots and stuff like that and get some food and just take our time and head up. You know what I'm saying? Lance is not 100% of health, so I'm going to have to take my time while driving with him. So my cousin is like kind of sick. He has kidney failures, so he's on kidney dialysis, and he has a GoFundMe, guys, and I'll drop the link below. So in case you guys want to donate to help him out, he is sick and he does kidney dialysis twice a week. So stay tuned for that, guys. I'm gonna go pick him up now, and then we're just gonna hit the road. All right, vamos outside. Mess up yourselves. Welcome back. My mom was telling me I was picking up my cousin Lance. Well, here goes Lance. So this is my cousin that we grew up together, playmates, done crazy things together. You know what I'm saying? That's what I said. But we deal with here, so guys. And like I said, we heading up to the country. Our next stop is probably gonna be at the Yam Man, and we're gonna stop and get some yam, roast yam, and saltfish and stuff. So stay tuned for that. I'm not gonna video the whole entire journey going all the way up there, guys, because we done went through that last week already on the last journey. You guys seen all that footage, so we're not gonna bore you guys with that. So stay tuned. We are out here. That's up. All right, we stopped at the yam place here in Trelawny. We stopped to get some soup, but that's not ready yet. We was hoping to get some roast yams and saltfish and them something there, but we're a little bit early, so he said there's nothing ready yet. They just lit their fire up, and this is where they would normally roast their yams at, right here. You know what I'm saying, guys? Just like that. So they don't have anything ready on the fire or readily available yet, so I guess we'll catch it when we're coming back. All right, so stay tuned outside. Here, guys, we're here. We're back at home again. We in the Lychee walk this time. Me and Lance. Lance here, I eat lunch. Yo, Lance is down here munching, guys. We're just picking some more fruits. Got some orders to fill, so stay tuned. We got the rest of the team up there, Dovey up there, and Jenna up there, so I'll pick same way. And trust me, guys, you see the hard work them I forgot you. I want big green lizard, we just see look wild, but we're not afraid of them. There's something there still, so you don't know. Dangerous work, guys. Look, yeah, serious amount of work to pick it and take care of it and prune these trees, and a lot of work, trust me. And this was up. We in the backyard again. There's with blocks. And I generally up this, I'll pick some lychee same way. And I know you guys was asking about plants. We do have plants here, so that is it. We just do it here, so guys. And then next bag this again, and shall lift this up, that's all.
No, you're short, dude.
Let me put this up there. Lance, when I walk up and done with this, you know. Put it up here. I'll drop them in this bag, yeah. Want a few more to chew up on this. Who that? Sure. So that's it. Yeah, guys, so we here at the farm. picking fruit. So we're almost done harvesting. We're here harvesting, so pretty much harvesting as much fruit as we can get off these trees so that they don't spoil. My cousin, and he got grung orchids. Lance is picking flowers. So we're here, guys. Just like I said, the guys are climbing the trees and just picking fruits to fill orders of people coming to order stuff. So stay tuned. Epic adventures, guys. Yo guys, we stopped in at the ends and I go no. Cause I done do my ventures already and done pick what I pick and do what I do. But me not go past my girls and stop and check my local girls and drop them some fruits and thing you don't know and link my GCM way.
What you mean? Straight?
Me not give nothing for suck pan still and I just
no, me can't sort of see today.
I give the ladies them fruits.
Yeah, that's what I see today. Can't sort of see today.
Big up yourself, Chabelle. Well, let's see on the girls.
As long as I won tonight.
No. Stop at Jamaica Vibes Adventures, guys. I'm gonna come in and check my Jenna and them I do a little cook up. So and guess what? We are about to eat some of Jamaica Vibes cooking today again, guys. Man, I cook up pot light, stove up.
Yes, man, cold stove life is set on the
just like that, guys.
And them things they come right time. Come catch it, just a start.
Yeah, man.
You see? Yeah, man, for the Father's Day cooking settings.
For the Father's Day cooking settings,
yes,
guys,
man,
we just drop in and just stay. We never planting.
No, we never plan.
I know say anything plan never really work out. So just these things that happen like this.
And what they had Jerry Pastor, I mean, I can there.
Yeah. So I came by the other day, guys, as you see in my last video, and he wasn't home with a two-ton and thing, up on an adventure. So you don't know. We're outside, guys. Big up. I'm up at Jamaica Vibes Adventures. Home. I stopped in to check him real quick, and I'm on my way home to Mobe. I have some work to do up there today, so I'm not going to prolong on the road till very late in the night today. I just stopped in real quick to see my friend real quick, give him a little shout out, a little big up, and make sure my friend good like that. You understand? So stay tuned, guys. We're out here, son. We'll build a local vibes with Jamaica Vibes Adventures and see what's up. So I guess we found a shop. Hello, good day. Yeah, guys, so we found a shop. I have to walk up the road. I like to take these country walk on these country roads. Enjoy it a lot. So I guess we just found our shop, guys. Hello. Alright, stay tuned, guys. No, we're there, so we're there Jamaica Vibes Adventures with Chabelle, Alana, and her sister, and we're there, so guys. And them I do a look at wicked cook up on the thing. I just stop in real quick.
Father's Day special.
Father's Day special, and link my bridging pan Father's Day and thing and just go on.
Do the right thing. I appreciate your past.
Yes, man.
You see?
So,
yeah, man.
So big up to Jamaica Vibes family, guys, and you know, so we out here, guys.
Like
and we do a thing. See?
You see?
Yeah.
Alright. Remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe.
That
is it. You know, the man want me throw me line in that drum. The people, and you know, say me probably pull out one banger if me throw me line. I want barra in that drum there if me throw me line. You know, say, yo, people, Jamaican showfish you no play. I'll pat hole if they give me if you throw me line and I catch fish. Yo, the other day, me there out here, I throw me line in the water and catch one mullet pan hard plastic lure. They couldn't believe it. Everybody shocked. Hard plastic lure. Me never. I videoed it, you know, guys, but I didn't post it. So big up myself. So stop.
Yes, Mr.
Yeah, man, roast and saltfish, guys. Stop at the ends, guys. And salt mackerel. So big up myself, Jamaican showfish. And stop, get some food. We just stopped at Jamaica Vibe Adventure up the road, and we'll stop here. So we're gonna get something to eat now. So stay tuned outside. We're getting some soup too. Some real soup, guys. Out here in Trelawny, up in the hills of Jamaica, guys. And brother, I'll line up some soup for cuz. Cuz, hold it like this. Careful, hold it like that, cuz. Yeah. Yeah, man. So we're there, so guys. And this is about it. Cheers. Taste test. You know, real up in the hills, country food. Nice food. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I ate that though.
Yeah.
Yep. So you see, guys, we're out here. So Larry's just waiting on her. She's like well hungry, like her stomach is touching ribs back there. So,
Yeah,
look. See that look?
Yeah, big wall beer.
Yeah, gone fishing with big wall.
Missing.
Yep, big wall beer is missing from this road trip. So yo, big wall beer, you're missing from this road trip, buddy. We are having one on outside, Jamaican shore fishing out. Me, I go digging at this, guys, and try out the saltfish and roast yam. Oh my god. Yo guys, this is it. Up in the hills, food. Jamaica, mountain. This is a whole highlight of any Jamaican road trip. Food. Thank you. Stop and eat anywhere. Especially places that make good food like here, roast yam and saltfish. This is iconic for Jamaica, though. Roast yam and saltfish for Trelawny Parish. It's iconic. So if you come to Trelawny Parish and you don't get roast yam and saltfish, you missed out. Me, I tell you that. Yep, they do it mackerel and hoghead and different things. So if you eat pork, yep, they have it too. Saltfish and roast yam, guys. Oh my god, guys. So yeah, Lance got his food coming.
Yeah, get the oink oink.
Lance is getting your oink. Stay tuned, guys. I'm not gonna shout out and let you guys watch all this outside. Lance is bouncing back and forth. I think we both bouncing back and forth.
Yeah,
between both the plates. I'm gonna give this piece of pork a try. Oh, damn! Somebody wanted that.
Somebody wanted.
Somebody wanted my pork. That's what happened. It fell. Sorry about that.
One of the viewers they may want.
Damn! One of you viewers wanted the pork. That's why it fell. That's what's up. Hey guys. That's my lawyer. So, we're just out here, guys. We'll stand up at this table and just eating. We're on the road. This is what's up. Trelawny, outside. Lance made it back to Mobay safe in one piece.
Yep.
We had food, we had saltfish, we stopped pick lychee. What else we did? Cause we just matched up the road trip today, guys. It was a Saturday and we went up the country and we just enjoyed ourselves, had a great day. So we back home in Mobay. Stay tuned, next epic adventure to be coming soon. Alright guys, outside, bless.